Welcome back to my channel. Good Molecules just drop a new serum, which name is Good Molecules Vitamin C Serum with Oryzanol. I've been using the Good Molecules Vitamin C Serum with Oryzanol for a few weeks now, and I'm thoroughly impressed with the results. This serum aims to brighten the skin, fight early aging signs, and fade sunspots, and it certainly delivers on its promises. The serum boasts a silky, lightweight texture that feels great on the skin. It's odor-free, which is a huge plus for those sensitive to fragrances. Packaged with an airless pump, the serum's formula is protected from oxidation, ensuring its efficacy remains intact. The serum contains 2 advanced forms of vitamin C. This powerful ingredient is known for its collagen-boosting properties and its ability to improve overall skin appearance by targeting early aging signs. Has kojic acid ester 1.0%. This component helps even out skin tone and fade sunspots, contributing to a more uniform complexion. It has Oryzanol 1.0% found in rice bran oil. Oryzanol is a potent antioxidant that enhances the effects of vitamin C, promoting a brighter complexion and providing additional protection against environmental stressors. With continued use, I've noticed a significant improvement in the brightness and evenness of my skin tone. Sunspots have started to fade, and my skin looks more radiant and youthful. The combination of stabilized vitamin C and kojic acid ester works wonders for sunspots and dark spots, while the Oryzanol boosts the serum's overall effectiveness. The serum can be used both morning and evening, fitting seamlessly into my skincare routine. It absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, making it perfect for layering under other products. Its size is 30 milliliters, and it is cruelty-free vegan. Fragrance-free, priced at $14. It offers excellent value for its benefits. The Good Molecules Vitamin C Serum with Oryzanol is a standout product for anyone looking to brighten their complexion, fade sunspots, and fight early signs of aging. Its thoughtful formulation and effective ingredients make it a worthwhile addition to any skincare routine.